there's tons of opportunity, tons of needs, and you have to sort of pick carefully where you start. It also takes a big mindset shift. So we're taking ourselves out of the mindset of how can we produce the best product, with the engineering capabilities that we have, and really putting ourselves in the shoes of patients, of providers, of the health system in emerging markets and saying, what problem do you have that we can solve today? That transition from we can create X to what problem do you have that we can help solve with our know-how is probably one of the biggest barriers that you have to overcome to successfully create new business models, new innovations for emerging markets and for new segments of the economy in those countries. Where you start isn't where you finish, and that lean startup model where you pivot day by day is incredibly important.
The second piece of advice is, to really think about partnerships and the ecosystem. If you really want to have a big impact, you need to bring in partners, really understand the dynamics of the system that you're operating with, whether it be, in the case of China, a city or a province, or a state within India. You really need to understand what's going on, how that system works, and who are partners that can help you diagnose the problem and come up with a solution, and then implement that solution. And so we've brought in partners. Every one of our business models that is getting traction involves a dozen partners, if you will. And so when you're celebrating a key milestone and you have the picture of all the people involved, there's at least a dozen organizations represented in every one of those pictures, and that's really been a key to success.